everyone. You are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. India's GDP jumped 13.5% in June quarter on pandemic rebound. Donald Trump's lawyer said discovery of classified record in FBI raid no cause for alarm. India sealed Super 4 spot with decisive victory against Hong Kong in Asia Cup 2022. Uttarakhand government will give 1500 rupees every month to players. Now news in details. The National Statistical Office on Wednesday revealed data showing that the India's GDP expanded at its quickest rate in a year during the April to June quarter. During the 3 months that ended on June 30, 2022, India's GDP increased by 13.5%. The GDP increased 4.1% from January to March compared to the same period last year. In April through June of 2021, when it was 20.1% higher than the pandemic depressed level of the previous year. India's GDP has its last greater annual growth. The increase in the cost of food and fuel has a significant impact on consumers' spending, which make up nearly 55% of economic activity, even if monthly inflation has subsided over the past 3 months. Bizarre things continue to happen across the world and India is no exception. Southern Indian city of Bangalore, a major IT hub in the country, has been lashed by the rain so much that the road have flooded and vehicle owners are having to wade through murky waters. However, if photos and videos doing round on social media are to be believed, these murky waters have enough life in them to facilitate fishing. Heavy rain have forced the government to press volunteers into action to help people. Former United States President Donald Trump's legal team said on Wednesday that the discovery of sensitive information in the document found by the FBI during their raid of this Mar-a-Lago residence was not a cause for alarm. They told the judge in their latest filing that the presidential records are sensitive by nature and continue to request special master to review the materials. Simply put, the nation that presidential record would contain sensitive information should have never been cause for alarm. Trump's lawyer told the judge according to the rituals. Moving ahead in the news that talk about some major news of Uttarakhand. 300 players from Nainital district have been selected for Mukhyamantri Udyam Khiladi Unnayam Yojana. Now the player of Uttarakhand will be given 1500 rupees every month. Of the 300 players of Nainital district, 150 boys and 150 girls are included. Not only this, check will be distributed to all the players by the sports department this week. District Sport Officer Rashika Siddiqui said that demo of the check has been given to the player under the CM Udyam Khiladi upgradation scheme. He said that under the scheme, check would be distributed to the selected player in the district this week. In the next side, 21 have been found infected in Dehradun district, 18 in Nainital, 7 in Haridwar, 4 in Pithoragarh, 3 each in Udham Singh Nagar, Tiri and Almora, 1 each in Chamoli, Champawar district. No new cases have been found in Bageshwar, Uttarkashi, Rudraprayag, Pauri district. Within the last 24 hours, 61 new corona infected have been found in the state, while the 2 patients have died. More than twice as many patients have recovered as compared to the infected. At present, the number of active cases has come down to less than 500. According to the Health Department, the investigation report of 1,822 samples came negative on Wednesday. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. Ganesh Chaturthi was celebrated across the state on Wednesday. Ganesh Chaturthi was celebrated across the state on Wednesday. The Ganesh festival started in the installation of idol of Lord Sri Ganesha at various places. In Haridwar, on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, Ganesh idols were installed in the house as well as in the pandal in the city. This festival will be celebrated with pomp for 10 days. Devotees play gulal before installing the Ganesh idol. Dance to the beat of dhol and DJ, worship of Lord Ganesh was done in the temple and homes. Ganesh idols were installed from city to rural areas. The UP government has made a major reshuffle in the administrative staff on Wednesday evening. ACS Navneet Sehgal has been removed from the post of Additional Chief Secretary. He has been posted in the Sports Department. Parthasarathi Sen Sharma, who returned from the central government on deputation, has made Principal Secretary Medical Health on Wednesday. Additional Chief Secretary Home Avnish Avasthi finally retired. UP, the workload of their department, including Expressway Industrial Development Authority, has been entrusted to Principal Secretary, Chief Minister and Information Sanjay Prasad. Bollywood actor Rajkumar Rao on Tuesday unveiled the teaser of his upcoming thriller film Monica, Oh My Darling. Meanwhile, Rajkumar was last seen in the mystery thriller film Hit, The Force Case alongside Sania Malhotra, which failed to impress the audience at the box office. He will be next seen in the sports drama film Mr. and Mrs. Mahi alongside actor Janhvi Kapoor. Produced by Dharma Production, the film marks Rajkumar's first collaboration with Karan Johar. Apart from Rajkumar Rao, the film also stars Huma Qureshi, Radhika Apte, Sikandar Kher and Akansha Rajan Kapoor in the lead role. Suryakumar Yadav's blistering 68, Virat Kohli 59 and Ravindra Jadeja's quick fielding helped the India secure direct qualification to the Super 4 phase of the ongoing Asia Cup 2022. After beating Hong Kong by 40 runs here at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium on Wednesday, India outplayed Hong Kong in all departments and also became the second team to qualify for the Super 4. Chasing 193, Hong Kong got off a bad start after their opening batter Yashim Murtaza lost his wicket. The speeding duo of Yuzvendra Chahal and Ravindra Jadeja delivered fantastically and did not allow Hong Kong bowlers to score big run in the innings. Institute of Technology and Management Dehradun has organized a 4-day orientation program for its new batches, of which today was the fourth and the last day, which was the name Synergy, in which people from corporate world visited our institute, where the event started with lamp and lighting, further moved forward to the speeches of pass out students who were placed in the best companies, and end with the speech of Principal Ma'am. After that, the session was taken forward by our guest motivational speaker, corporate trainer Rajveer Yadav, and the event concluded with a vote of thanks. That's all for today. Thank you for watching The Bharat.